Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished viewers from around the world, welcome to the Greener the Better show. The Greener the Better is not just a vlog, it's a call to action. It's an exploration of the symbiotic relationship we share with our environment and a stern warning against its misuse and abuse. We have had the privilege of witnessing the beauty of our planet in its various forms, and it is both our duty and passion to ensure that future generations can experience the same wonders. In the episodes to come, we will delve into the intricacies of environmental conservation. This is a journey of awareness and change. Join your host Stewart, and together, let's embark on this vital journey. For the greener, the better, join in on this global expedition of environmental consciousness.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial topic that combines technology and environmental concerns: the impact of drone crashes. Drones have become an integral part of various industries, but what happens when they go awry? Join me as we explore the environmental consequences of drone accidents and discuss potential solutions. To begin, let's talk about the risks associated with drone crashes. Drones can crash due to technical failures, human errors, or adverse weather conditions. When this happens, they often leave behind debris or hazardous materials that can harm the environment. Technical failures can result from issues such as battery malfunctions, software glitches, or hardware breakdowns. When drones crash due to these failures, they can scatter components like lithium-ion batteries, which are known to be harmful to the environment. Human errors, including pilot mistakes or navigation errors, can also lead to drone crashes. These accidents can occur in sensitive environmental areas, causing significant damage. Adverse weather conditions, like strong winds or heavy rain, can make it difficult for drones to maintain stable flight. Crashes during adverse weather can scatter debris across vast areas. Now, let's delve into the environmental consequences of these drone crashes. Drone crashes in natural habitats can disrupt ecosystems and disturb wildlife. Noise and the physical presence of drones can disturb animals, impacting their behavior and breeding patterns. The debris left behind by crashed drones, including plastics and electronic components, can contribute to pollution in our oceans and forests. Some drones use hazardous materials in their construction, posing additional environmental risks. In worst-case scenarios, drone crashes can lead to fires, especially in dry, forested regions. These fires can cause extensive habitat destruction and release harmful greenhouse gases. It's crucial to address these issues and explore potential solutions. Drone manufacturers can focus on creating more durable and environmentally friendly drones. These include using biodegradable materials and developing robust safety mechanisms. Pilots should adhere to strict guidelines and regulations when flying drones, especially in sensitive areas like nature reserves. Proper training and certification can reduce the risk of accidents. Establishing protocols for addressing drone crashes is essential. This includes swift cleanup and disposal of hazardous materials, as well as reporting requirements. In conclusion, the environmental impact of drone crashes is a pressing issue that deserves attention. While drones offer numerous benefits, we must also mitigate their potential harm to the environment. By improving drone design, promoting responsible flying, and implementing emergency protocols, we can minimize the risks and ensure a more sustainable future for this technology. Thank you for joining me in today's discussion. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on important environmental issues. Together, we can make a positive impact on our planet. Until next time, stay informed and take care.
As we draw the curtains on today's episode of The Greener the Better, it's been a privilege to have your attention as we delved into the crucial topic of environmental conservation. Remember, change starts with awareness, and if you found today's discussion enlightening, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Your engagement spreads the message further and wider, inspiring more individuals to take action. In closing, let's carry the spirit of today's discussion with us. Let's be mindful of our actions and their impact on the environment, striving for a world where the greener truly is the better. Together, we can make a difference, one step at a time. Thank you once again for joining your host Stewart on the Greener the Better show. Until next time, let's keep working towards a more sustainable and harmonious world. Goodbye for now, and take care.